We finished the run, and later on the battery's all cooled down. It's going to need a charge, and we're going to take off our plug, which this is the wrong one, and we're going to connect the right ones up. But before we do, we're going to make sure we put in positive to the positive, negative to the negative on the banana, and then we're going to correctly plug in red for red, black for black. And then we're going to take our balance lead and we're going to look for the 3S. I'm going to make sure these two little tabs go in correctly. So now we're all set up and everything's to the side. We turn our unit on. We're going to press on the unit. We're going to change our amperage and we're going to bring it down to 2.0 amps and 3S good to go. Press start. Battery checks. It says confirm, enter. And the fans will kick on when it needs to. We're going to look at the cells. 4054, 4082, 4035. So we're going to watch the batteries and make sure they charge to 4.0 on each one. So they don't have that much to go. I didn't do a lot of run, but over an hour's time or less, this will be fully charged. We're 4191, 4190, 4185. It's going to be completed and we simply shut down. And a lot of us will run this down to 3 each cell and store the battery and charge it before they're ready to run. When completed, you're going to unplug your balance lead and unplug your battery, shut your transmitter, shut your charger down, and go run for another day.